How to wake up refreshed in the morning without morning fatigue. Most of us have a rough start to our day, waking up late and rushing to get to work. During the first few hours at work, we often struggle to perform well due to the shock of waking up early. Perhaps today is one of those days when, despite feeling like you slept well at night, you still experience fatigue in the morning. In this video, we will share some tips to help you combat morning fatigue. By incorporating these tips into your life, you can wake up refreshed and energized every morning. These points are backed by scientific evidence and have been proven effective numerous times. While you may not need to implement all of these tips, trying them out will help you identify the underlying issues and gradually understand your own needs. Once you gain this understanding, you will be able to create the ideal conditions for waking up completely refreshed in the morning. The first tip to combat morning fatigue is to wake up with the first alarm and avoid going back to sleep. While scientists recommend waking up naturally without an alarm clock, if you need to use one, make sure to get up as soon as it rings. It may be tempting to repeatedly hit the snooze button and go back to sleep, but continuing to do so is not only scientifically proven to be ineffective, it also leaves you feeling more tired and exhausted. When you wake up in the morning, allowing yourself to fall back asleep leads to fragmented sleep, which actually worsens your fatigue throughout the day instead of compensating for any lack of sleep. The second step is to drink water immediately after waking up. After several hours of sleep, your body needs hydration. Even if you don't feel thirsty upon waking up after a full night's sleep, it's important to drink a glass of water. Apart from the general health benefits, this will help your body wake up faster and reduce drowsiness. Next, stretch your body. Many of us naturally stretch upon waking up, as our muscles tend to be stiff from sleep. By increasing the frequency and intensity of these stretches, you will release muscle tension and feel more energized. The more you engage in stretching, the more refreshed you will feel. Make sure to wash your face. You may already do this as part of your morning routine, but if you don't, it's highly recommended. Some people opt for a cold water bath in the morning, as research suggests that it boosts energy levels and offers various health benefits. However, if a cold shower isn't appealing to you first thing in the morning, at least splash some cold water on your face. Lastly, don't skip breakfast. You may recall arguments with your mother about the importance of eating breakfast when you were a child. Even if you disregarded her advice back then, consider the scientific research that emphasizes the necessity of breakfast for providing energy to your body. While many people don't feel hungry in the morning, it's important to overcome this feeling and have a proper breakfast for the sake of your health and well-being.